Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a super quick video. I just want to show you how I'm using these figure 8 double washer fasteners to attach this bedside table to the top. The reason I'm not just gluing and screwing is because that solid wood top is going to want to expand and contract as the moisture changes throughout the year. So, figure 8 fastener, and I'm using a 5/8 inch Forstner drill bit to recess the fastener into this side. Only need to go far enough so that the washer sits flush in there. I need to go a little bit more. Let's see how that fits. Yeah, that'll work out. So now that that's done, we need another drill bit and drill for the screw itself so that I'm not splitting the plywood. Before I screw in the fastener, I want to open up this hole just a little bit, and that is so that as the wood expands, the fastener has even more room to rotate. Doesn't take much, just nibbling off the corner is all I'm looking to do. So when I screw this in, it can rotate quite a bit. Hopefully the wood doesn't move that much. All right, let's screw it down. All right, let's flip it over and attach it to the top. I've already marked and pre-drilled. I just have to line it up and screw it down. Let's see, here are the screws. Will be a little bit interesting working in such a tight space. Let's see how this goes. This thing looks like, oh, it is definitely heavy. It's a small gap right here, but that's going to be hidden because it's underneath. You're never going to be laying on the ground looking at this thing. And here is that shelf. I also thought that, there might come a time where they don't want this shelf to maybe put some taller books there. But there we go. Still have some finished sanding to do. Maybe wood fill a couple little gaps. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a great week, and as always, get out there and make some sawdust.